I hope you had a great Labor Day weekend. Meanwhile, I was busy laboring away putting the last finishing touches on my FBA mini course, and I'm doing a special thing for everyone here on YouTube, and I'm happy you're staying subscribed because I'm going to drop it to the first 50 people that sign up absolutely for free. So we're going to be able to look in and see how to start selling on Amazon, and it's a great way to get your feet wet without putting any money down, just to learn in a simple hour-and-a-half step-by-step course what it is, what it takes to get a profitable product up and running on Amazon. I'm going to show you how to do product research. I'm going to show you how to verify and contact suppliers. We're going to even show you a step-by-step tutorial on setting up your Seller Central account so you don't run into any landmines with that. I have so much more, everything even down to the product launch and PPC advertising, 100% for free for you. And the only thing that I ask in return is that you share this video with anyone else that's out there looking to start selling on Amazon, or anyone else that you know that's looking to make money online. Other than that, just drop a thumbs up, and I would even say go follow me on Instagram because I drop a lot of frequent stories about my product research, my updates, and there's even a subscription button that's now available on my Instagram where you can subscribe and get more exclusive updates on what I'm looking at as far as product research. And every single week I'm doing 5 top product picks, so you can see hand-picked products that I'm already thinking are a good opportunity to sell on Amazon. So if you just subscribe to me on Instagram, you can get those and use what you've learned in the mini course to get the product solidified and launched on Amazon. In other news, I'm going to be diving deep into my own product research, and I've already found some really cool products that I'm looking to launch myself. I'm looking to build a lot more new cash flows coming into the year of 2023, and the best and most reliable way to do that is to build out new products. Every single one is going to be a new income stream, and the millions of customers that are already on the Amazon platform are there looking to buy. And with the tools like Helium 10, which will also have discounted codes for that so you can get into your own product research, I'll have links below for that. But that's what you need to see what profit margin you're going to be able to make on each product that you buy, and how many sales and how much revenue and how competitive each product market is that you're looking into. So I'm excited to build out new cash flows. You know, I took the last year to really study trading, crypto markets, stock markets, but a lot of that is just so volatile right now. We're in such a crazy predicament with the way the world is that I want to dial back a little bit and build some real stable cash flows. So that's where I'm at right now. But thanks again so much for watching the video. If you're a newcomer just looking to make money online, whether it's Amazon FBA or cryptocurrency or stock market investing, it's definitely subscribe to the channel because I cover all that here as well. Hope you guys enjoy the rest of your week, and go check that link below and sign up to the free course before it's too late. After that, I'm just going to charge like $50 for it, but it could go up in price from there in the future. And I'm going to be shouting this out on Instagram as well, where I have a lot of people that are going to be definitely signing up very quickly. So get in and be in the first 50 people to sign up for the mini course. I really want you to get a look at my teaching style, and if you're interested to really take it to the next level, you can always get my full version of my Amazon course. It's going to go way more in depth. Instead of just one video in the mini course on the product listing, I have 13 videos on product listings, optimizations, photo optimizations, how to rank it, all that stuff in my full-on complete Amazon Seller Pro course. That's all I got for you. Have a great day. We'll catch you later. Peace.